Bangladesh belongs to people from all walks of life Muslims, Hindus, Buddhists, and Christians, and they want to regain their democratic rights, said Bangladesh Nationalist Party's acting chairman Tariq Rahman on landing in Dhaka after 17 years of exile. The son of former Prime Minister Khalida Zia has finally returned to Bangladesh, marking the end of his long stay abroad, mostly in London. Rahman had been living in exile since 2008. He left after facing serious charges of corruption and money laundering, which were tied to the political struggle surrounding his mother's leadership of the Bangladesh Nationalist Party. His departure followed legal pressure and his conviction in 2007 on corruption related cases. As soon as Rahman arrived, he made a statement to the media saying, "I have a plan for the country." While he did not go into the detail about his plan, he emphasized the need for the country's political parties to come together and unite. Rahman also brought up Sharif Usman Hadi in his speech. He seemed to suggest that Hadi's example could inspire the country's leader to work together for unity. This might hint that Rahman wants to position himself as someone who can help bring the nation together during a time of political division. Tariq Rahman's return is a big movement in the country's politics. Almost after 2 decades of staying out of the country, his re-entry could have a major impact, especially since the country has been dealing with political rivalry between the ruling Awami League and Rahman's own party, the BNP. It's still unclear how the government and other political groups will respond to his return, but it's certain that his next steps will be closely watched. After 17 years in exile, Tariq Rahman returns with a plan for the country, as if the last 2 decades of political turbulence could be solved with one grand statement. It's almost poetic how his sudden reappearance seems to promise unity and progress, as though political solutions can be packed into a soundbite. One might wonder how this plan will navigate the complexities of years of division, because after all, the path to unity isn't always as simple as a return ticket home. Now, it would be interesting to watch what happens next.